What's that? Yeah. Really long days at work. Yeah, exactly. No, so one thing I did want to impart to all of you guys is the culture from which this singing comes from is...
Would you mind talking into the mic? It actually is a lot easier to hear you.
Hi. So one of the things I want to do impart to you guys about the culture from where this type of singing comes from is the Mongolians are hugely traditional about their music and their singing, and it's something they have a lot of pride and love for. In fact, there's a canon of about 200 songs that every single Mongolian knows. So wherever you go, if you start singing it, they will all start singing with you. I served in the Peace Corps for a few months there, and it didn't matter if you were completely tone deaf. And that's actually the rule across all of Mongolia, and many other Asian countries for that matter, that when people sing, and they ask you to sing because it's such a big part of the culture, they don't care if you're tone deaf. You still have a voice. And that's the most important thing about it. And they don't care, you can suffer through it like a real bad karaoke act, that's fine. But you still have a voice. And when you sing these canons, they will come together and they will help you. They'll actually start singing with you. So one of the things I wanted to posit was just like, explore your voice. Make some weird, ringy, growly noises, and see what comes of it, and see if you can pass that along. Because it's a very, very important part of their culture as well. They use it throughout all different parts of municipal work. They race horses. That's one of the biggest parts of their culture. And so their jockeys are all children because they're the lightest. And kids there learn how to ride horses before they walk. So to prep their horses for race day, to let them know that it's race day, they sing to them. So for race day, there's this beautiful moment where there's these 6- and 7-year-old boys and girls that are on horses, just wailing away, and they're just like, ah! Like a huge, like crazy cacophonous chorus. And all of this is to evoke like a spirit within their horses, and the horses know. They get it. They know that.
After hearing it for generations, right?
We're going. So it's a huge part. So why don't we try going back to the first style one more time, and doing some weird buzzy stuff, and see how many other like vowels and weird noises you can make. Okay? So why don't we do it together, and we'll go from an E vowel all the way down to an oo, and then kind of explore some of that. Okay? Ready? Everybody ready? All right. Very good. It sounded kind of cool, actually.
Yeah.